Hi guys, I'm here to talk to you about a problem that I have always felt didn't have a solution. And magically today I discovered the way to do it. Look at this. This is a two-sided tape applied here innocently by my daughter. Now, she wanted to hang something and she didn't think that what's going to happen after. Two-sided tapes are a big problem for all painters. And this, as I discovered today, is a magical way to get it out. You just use a piece of Scotch tape and put your thumb on it and apply it here and then just drag it. Just drag it. It'll just roll it off like magic. You don't have to apply WD-40. I've seen some solutions. If you apply WD-40, you're gonna stain the entire wall. This cleans it right off, as magically as when it was put on. Look, completely gone, not a trace at all of the thing. All of it went in here in the tape. Enjoy.